I have a hardwired smoke detector in a very high ceiling, 12 feet or higher. I thought it was disabled, but when the alarm went off today, I realized it wasn't. I wanted to replace it with a battery-operated one at a height I can reach, so this is where I have animals and I can't move them. It was very disturbing to them. I tried reaching the reset button on it with a broom handle, but although it went off for maybe 10 seconds, it came back on shrill and strong as ever. I also tried finding a circuit breaker it was connected with, but no luck. Then I put a 6-foot ladder on a utility table, dumb, I know, and had someone hang on to the ladder while I climbed up and was able to twist the smoke detector faceplate. However, when I saw it was a bunch of hard wires, I had no clue what to do without electrocuting myself or setting the place on fire. I again hit the reset button, held it down until there were 3 sharp beeps, then held it down again, and for now all is silent. I don't know what I did or what to expect. There is no one else here to fix it. Do you have any suggestions? Why would my holding down the button with it now hanging suspended from the ceiling make it stop beeping, when putting a stick on it when it was still attached only temporarily stopped it? Thanks.
Hello. Welcome to Just Answer. Whether they are attached to the base, or hanging by the wires, wouldn't make a difference. Typically, there would be 3 reasons for a detector or group of hardwired detectors to beep when there is no smoke or dust in the area to cause it. A tripped circuit breaker would cause it, because the backup batteries would still allow the units to chirp, and loss of either power source is identified by chirping or alarming. A second reason would be a low battery, again because the detectors are designed to alert you to a lost or weakened power source. Lastly, these units do malfunction from time to time, and go off for no apparent reason. I once had to go back to the same house about 3 times, replacing brand new units each time, because of nuisance alarming. My boss got fed up with eating the labor cost, since the project was under warranty, and we had to switch to a different brand. I wouldn't disconnect it and remove it permanently. I would start by putting a new battery in it. Since they are interconnected, you may need to replace the batteries in all units. If it still chirps or alarms after that, make sure the circuit breaker is on. You've probably already done that. The next step would be replacement of the unit, assuming there are no loose connections at the alarming unit or any of the others. In my opinion, hardwired with battery backup is the best way to go. And since you have it in place, it would be a code violation to dismantle any of it.
I don't think I explained myself clearly. There is no backup battery. It is strictly hardwired, and I can't find any circuit breaker that controls it. Also, it is at least 12 feet off the ground and too late on a Sunday for me to get help. I only have a 5-foot ladder, and I had to put it on top of a folding table, very unstable, just to reach the reset button. Yes, I want it dismantled completely. I had it installed in my cattery, and it is very distressing to my cats when it goes off and can't be reset. It is way too high for me. It doesn't have to be 15 feet off the ground. It is not manageable like that at all. The others I had replaced with regular battery units at levels that I can reach them with a ladder. Your answer might be good for 99% of the cases, but it doesn't work for me. Could you please ask other experts to chime in? Thanks.
When you reach up with a broom handle, it is very easy to interrupt the process without realizing it. Then you would have to start over to get it to reset. It sounds like you temporarily have it under control. Have an electrician remove it from the ceiling and mount a new one where it can be easily reached. I will be glad to answer any questions you may have. Machine.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.